Hello everyone, welcome back to avijitp.tech. Today we will be learning how to animate icons in PowerPoint. First, we will be animating an icon from built-in library of PowerPoint. Let's take the example of a heart. We will make the heart grow and shrink so that it appears to be pulsating. So let's see the steps. If we change the timing, it can be seen that the heart is pulsating very slowly. So, we will return back to the previous speed. Now it's perfectly fine. In the next slide, we will be animating an icon by copying it from an external file. Here I have some icons in Word document format. I will be copying an icon to the PowerPoint slide and animate it. I will share this Word document for your reference. After pasting it, I will ungroup all the elements of the icon. The icon will be divided into different elements. Animate the elements separately. First, animate the light of the ambulance to give it a blinking effect. For that, attach an external shape in place of the light and add color pulse animation to it. Then add a tethering effect to the whole of the ambulance so that it appears like it's moving. To add some more motion effects, add a road which will appear to be moving from right to left. Alter the timings and effects of the animation as needed. Now let's view the final result. There has been some mistakes. Instead of pulse effect, I should give the color pulse effect animation to the light. In the third example, I will be animating a helicopter icon by copying and importing it from the external Word file that I have got. First, right click on the icon and select Convert to Shape. Then right click it and go to Edit Points. By keeping the Control button pressed, left click on the points to erase the shapes as desired. See, the propeller shape has been removed. Go to the insert and insert a shape to mimic the original shape that has been just deleted. Go to the animation pane and give it a spin animation to show that the blades are turning. Give a line animation to the helicopter to show that it is flying in a forward direction. Change the speed of the animation to fit the requirements. You can add some background to the slide to have a more beautiful effect. Now let's learn to animate an icon by importing it from a website. First, I will go to pixabay.com to download an icon. Here, I am downloading a bell icon and make sure that it's in the SVG format. Import the downloaded SVG file in the slide. Change it to shape format. Change the color of the icon as per requirement. Here I will keep the color of the icon as black. Right click the whole set and click on ungroup to ungroup the parts. I want to move the dongle of the bell from left to right sideways. So select the dongle only and give it a line animation. Give the whole bell a tethering animation to make it as if it is moving and give a grow effect to the sound waves on the either side of the bell. The dongle of the bell is stopping after one cycle, so change the effect of the line animation to auto reverse. If you have liked the video, please subscribe my channel and also like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.